Hello everyone, welcome in our series lecture on Introduction to IoT and Designing of Circuit using Thinkercad. I am Shivangi Verulkar, welcome you in our course. Right now we are going to see in day 1 part 4, that is installation of Arduino IDE. How to download Arduino IDE, that we are going to see in this video. So to download your Arduino IDE, just go to your Chrome and type www.arduino.cc. So for it, you open browser and write in a browser arduino.cc. Now once you came here in software, you can see that here you are having, this is the main platform of your arduino.cc. This platform, how we can use this software online, that we are going to see in a next upcoming session, but right now we are just going to download how to download this Arduino. So to download it, click on download. Once you click on download, then here it will ask you that for which system you want to download. Like you want to download for Windows 7 and up, means Windows 7 and Windows 10, or you want to download for Windows app, you want to download for Mac OS, Linux and all. Okay, so I just want to download for Windows 10, so I will click here. Once you click here, then it will ask you contribute to Arduino software CC. So contribute and download or just download. So you just click on just download. Once you click on just download, you can see that your Arduino downloading will start here. Okay, so it's a file of 112 MB. It will take 2 minutes to download it. So just wait, have a patience to. Once you download, your file will present in a download folder. You can copy that folder and paste in D drive wherever you want. Otherwise, you can directly, once it get downloaded, click on that executable file. Okay, it will be your choice. So till downloading get over, you people can have a view that for which purpose store option, online tool option, education, pro, resources, what are the tutorials available for your Arduino SSC, that you can check out. You can work out it, you can open it and check out the tutorial available for it. You can see that tutorial in Arduino project hub. You can see the built-in examples available for it. What are the built-in examples that you can check out. You can see how to use Arduino is given here in a built-in examples. Okay, so once you went in a file, then you can see examples, number of examples are there. So in this way you can refer the tutorial given to you. Okay, how you can use it for a basic operation. This program we are going to see how we are going to blink LED on and off, how it will get used for the digital applications. Then how it will get used, means here we should have idea about what is meant by the analog signal, what is meant by a digital signal, and then how it will work, how you are going to communicate, how you are going to send that signal. So that operation is given, how you will carry it out. Control operation, sensors, suppose you are using a sensors to sense information and will get connected to it. So how sensors will work, here they have given the examples about sensors. Display, okay, strings. So these are all the categories which are given in your inbuilt examples for a start of a program. So we will just see a basic part. Okay, so this is regarding the tutorials which are available within your Arduino. Okay, so now you people can see that here our Arduino has been downloaded. So we will just click on it. Click once only. Once you click, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make a changes on your device? Just click on yes. Once you click on yes, it will ask you for a license agreement. Just go through it. Is there any checkbox and all? Here is no checkbox. So just click on I agree. Once you click on I agree, then just here you will get some steps like install software, install USB driver, create serial menu. So keep all the options as it is, because all those things we require driver and all. So just as here we have tick all the driver and all, so mostly it will not ask us for a driver, but still we have to, once you click on a next, then it will ask her for a drive. So we will keep a same link and then click on install. You can say that how much space is required, how much file is there. So click on install. Once you click on install, pay attention to your screen. It's extracting all the files. So now you can see that it's asking for a driver. So here you should check in. This box must be check in and you should click on install. If you are not clicking on it, then what will happen? It will not support properly to all the drivers. So just click on it. Check in is already given to you. So just click on install. So that clicking in that box and installing is very important. It must be present. It should accept. Okay. So now you can see that it's showing Arduino setup is completed. Okay, you can say it's completed. Now just click on a close. As process is properly done, then you can see that on your main window symbol of Arduino will be present. Okay, so you can see that as here shortcut for Arduino is available. So now you can open your software. This is a shortcut for your Arduino. You can remember the symbol also. So you can see that your Arduino has been opened. So the format, whatever you are seeing for a coding, this is called as a sketch. As we know that earlier we used to call it as a program and all. So whatever code you are going to write in Arduino, so that screen is called as a sketch. Okay. So now what you can see this main screen. On this main screen, first you will see that you are having option file, edit, sketch, tools and helps. Okay, so how to get connected and all we will see in a next video. Here we have seen how to install. So this is the main window present on your screen, where you will see two options, that is a void setup and void loop. How to write a program, that we will see it in a next video. So in this way you people have to do installation of Arduino. Thank you very much for watching.